I'm Jeff from First Choice Mobility Limited, and today I'm going to introduce a new product and show you some of its features. Introducing the Dashi folding power chair from R Healthcare, currently the lightest folding power chair on the market. At first glance, I can see this is a quality power chair, fitted with Curtis VR2 controller and joystick. Very smooth and easy to manoeuvre. The Dashi is quick and easy to fold. Two clips here, boxed together. Why do I like this power chair so much? What makes it unique is the weight. 18.5 kilos with the battery, 17 kilos without the battery. Not only is the Dashi very lightweight and easy to transport, it comes with this extendable handle, which makes it even easier to manoeuvre. Let's talk about some specification of the Dashi. It has a lithium battery, which will do 8 to 9 miles on a full charge. If you want to extend that range on a day out, you can buy an additional battery. Seating dimensions, we have 19 inches seat height, 17 inches seat width, 17 inches seat depth, and between the arms we have 19 inches. Fitted with 3-spoke alloy wheels with puncture-proof tyres, 120 watt motors with easy to access freewheel levers. It's nice and compact when folded. Folded dimensions, we have a width of 24 inches, a depth of 18 inches, and the height up to the joystick of 29 inches. This power chair is fitted with padded upholstery, padded seat cushion which is removable, lap belt, and flip up arms. We have front fork suspension, ALUMINIUM frame with a satin black finish, which works really well with the styling of this chair. The lithium battery weighs 1.5 kilos. It's easy to remove. You can charge it off board, and it's also really easy to reinstall. Let's go over the features one more time. We've got 17 kilos without the battery, 18.5 kilos with the battery. It's simple to fold, transport and charge and use. And it also looks great. For further information, details or specification, visit our website or call one of the team.